Once upon a time, in the vast skies, a little feather embarked on an adventure. Did you know that feathers are not just for flying? They can actually help birds stay warm and dry. Feathers have a unique structure that traps air, providing insulation. This means that even in the coldest weather, birds can stay cozy. Plus, the oils birds produce make their feathers waterproof, so they can splash around without getting soaked. Next time you see a bird, remember the incredible science behind their feathers. Like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing stories.